Form 1. Primordial Chaos. Front view demonstration. Front view explanation. Stand naturally with feet apart. Regulate breathing and calm the mind. Swing palms backward and return. Front view demonstration. Repeat demonstration. Repeat demonstration. Primordial chaos. Demonstration completed. Side view demonstration. Repeat demonstration. Form 2. Liangyi divides. Front view demonstration. Front view breakdown. Squat down naturally. Shift your weight to the right foot. Raise your left hand naturally. Take a step to the left. Relax your body and look straight ahead. Front view demonstration.